everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can schedule video posts for YouTube using Simplified's content calendar. There are a few ways you can go about posting a YouTube video, and this tutorial will walk you through all the different ways you can create posts to YouTube. So, begin under the social media tab by using this button here, and now let's come to the publishing icon on the left-hand side toolbar. This will bring you to your content calendar, and now we want to schedule a new post. We can do that either by using this new post button in the upper right-hand corner, or going to our desired date and using this plus icon. The first thing you want to do is make sure that only your YouTube icon is highlighted up in this top toolbar. Then you can decide whether you want to post a video or a short. Go ahead and write in your caption, and don't forget that you can use the AI assistant right within the content calendar to help you curate the perfect caption for your post. I also love using this generate hashtag icon, which is a one-click tool, and the AI will actually generate hashtags for you that are SEO friendly. Go ahead and type in your title. You want to use tags when posting to YouTube to help your video reach a wider audience. And the good news is that Simplified has a YouTube tag template. So all you have to do is select the video tag template, type in your title, hit generate, and in a few seconds you'll have some great tags to include that will help your video ranking improve. Now we can use these drop-downs here to select which playlist we want our video to be categorized under. You can choose one or multiple playlists. You can choose what kind of visibility you want your video to have, private, unlisted, or public. You can choose the licensing status, as well as if it's made for kids. Now all that's left to do is upload our media. We can use this plus icon here to either access our media library or use this option here to upload a file directly from our device. Make sure that you're downloading as a video, click Export Now. Now that your video is uploaded, you can actually hover your mouse over the thumbnail and then choose this cover button. You can use this slider here to find the video frame that you want to use as your thumbnail. Alternatively, you can also use this custom image button, and then you can upload an image directly from your device. Once you've selected your thumbnail, go ahead and click Save Thumbnail. Now that we've completed the content for our post, we can either save it as a draft, or we can use this schedule button to choose our preferred date and time, and then click schedule. And now you can see that our post is scheduled and ready to go. Another way you can go about posting a video to YouTube through Simplified is actually starting on your artboard. So once you're on your video artboard and you're finished with your design, you can come up to this export icon in the top right-hand corner, and then use this Publish on Social option. Go ahead and select Download as a Video, Export Now, and now once this screen opens up, follow all the same steps before to fill in all the required fields, and then you can schedule your post. Thanks for watching, guys. We'd love to hear from you in the comments, and don't forget that we have tutorials for every single one of our features, so check those videos out to learn more about how Simplified social media tools can help you every step of the way. See you there.